about it to me, nothing. I'm like, which way? Stay down till I came up with my niggas. Right or wrong, forever right, you know what's up with me, nigga. Never change on my gang, yeah, I'm stuck with my niggas.
Okay, getting right into this video. Hey guys, so I have a frontal in 3 bundles, and I paid like almost $200, but I only used about like 2 bundles in the frontal, because like by the time I was like marrying like the tracks to the frontal, that's when I opened my 3rd bundle. So I literally only used like 1 or 2 pieces, so keep that in mind. And I have 28. My bundles are all 28, and my frontal is a 20 because that's the longest they had. And this is all straight hair. The frontal is Brazilian straight, and the bundles are Peruvian straight, which I need to tell y'all is a mistake y'all never need to make, because I thought like, okay, they're both straight, like it'll be cool, whatever, it's Aliexpress hair. No, bitch, like this, next time I'm just gonna get all Brazilian, because they didn't have Peruvian frontals. They had closures but not frontals. So this hair is like Brazilian hair, like in the humidity it frizzes up, like it's just frizzier than like the Peruvian, because you know Peruvian is like the silky. When I got this, the Peruvian was like really silky straight, and the Brazilian was like like the frontal was like, I don't know, it was just like Brazilian hair. Like if you had like a Brazilian body wave or something like that, like it was literally like Brazilian versus Peruvian. So like that was like my hair looked so weird. So I had to do a lot of like customizing to trying to get it to look to what you see now, because at first like the frontal was a lot of hair. Like it was literally like I had like a whole bundle of like 20 inches like sitting on top of my hair, and it was like so thick. And so basically what I did to solve that is like I took the little scissors, you know, the scissors that are like I think they're called shears, but they're like scissors on one side and a comb on the other side. I took those and I basically just cut this part to thin it out, so that way it could kind of like look like it belonged together and didn't just look like a lot of hair sitting on, a lot of 20-inch hair sitting on top of a lot of 28. So that's what I just went through and did that, and kind of did that all throughout the wig so it wouldn't be as dense. So because I wear my hair straight for the most part, so I don't need like a lot of body. Let me turn around to the back and show y'all how long it is. Can y'all see? But yeah, it's about this long, so it comes like right over my butt. So that's like the specs on the hair. You seen how long it is, you seen all that. So now let's go into what everybody cares about hair. Okay, so number 1, shedding. Does the hair shed? Yes, the hair sheds. There you go. There you go. Do you see that? Do you see that? I mean, I just ripped through it to get that, but like it sheds. Okay, people? Like it's not gonna do it in this video because like, yeah, I brushed my hair and I flat ironed it before I got on here, but it fucking sheds. It's not super crazy when you're just like running your hands through it or whatever, but like when you brush it, or like if you leave it like laying down and then like try to get it back together, like it sheds. It does that. Like, so yeah. But it's not unbearable. Like, it's not bad at all for me right now. I have had this hair for about, I've had it for probably, I want to say about like 2 weeks now. So this is like 2 weeks in. I haven't bleached it, haven't dyed it, haven't done anything. But yeah, it's holding up pretty well for the most part. I don't like it curled. I don't think, but that's also my fault for getting Peruvian and Brazilian, because the Brazilian holds a curl really nicely, but the Peruvian hair doesn't. Like, it falls very quickly and it looks like it's just too silky to hold a curl. So once again, my fault. If I wanted to hold a curl, I should have got all Brazilian. Not blaming Unice for that one. Okay, Another thing, split ends. When I got this hair, these split ends are mean. Like when I was making my wig, if I can find a picture, I'll insert one right here. Like the split ends on this hair are so mean. Like it's all the way through the hair, like all split ends. Like if I could just show you, like there, you see how noticeable that is? Like they're mean. These split ends are mean, and it's not just like, it's not like just the frontal. It's not one part. Like the split ends of the hair, when I was sewing this to the wig, it was like mean as fuck. So that's another thing to keep in mind if you don't like that look. I put oil and stuff on my hair to try to combat that, but like, yeah, that's an issue. Another thing about this hair, tangling. It does not tangle a lot, honestly. I never get any tangling, but I do wear my hair straight most of the time as well. So that may be a reason why I don't get any tangling. Maybe after I curl it, I can give y'all a better update on that. But as of right now, I don't get any tangling. It takes to heat well. My hair hasn't fried. Like, it flat irons pretty nice. I just flat iron my hair. And it stays like this, so that's nice as fuck. So, okay, and I want to clarify that I ordered my hair on Aliexpress's Unice website. But, like, it looks nice. So, I really don't want to give any definite opinions yet, because so far I'm liking it. Like, and also another thing I want to say, my hair did not come in, like, the box that all the YouTubers who are promoting Unice, they get. My hair came in like bags. I mean, it had a little tassel wrapped around it that said Unice hair, but it came in on like the little plastic AliExpress hair bags. If y'all have any questions, feel free to write them down below. I'll answer them because I don't do shit else. This hair in like action, if you want to see real-time updates, follow me on Instagram. See how it looks in pictures, videos. I post videos on Instagram sometimes too. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my crazy ass video, because I'm crazy as shit. But yeah, Unice hair, all in all, going great so far. I'll link where I got my hair from in the description box below if y'all want to know. And you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video, which will probably be a Fashion Nova try on haul. So everybody have a great day. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm about to go turn up. Well, I'm gonna not look like a potato sack first, then I'm gonna go turn up. So yeah, y'all have a great day, and subscribe, comment, like, and all that. Bye.